Hi all, welcome back. In this video, we'll be discussing about the reception report, which was a feature introduced in Odoo 15. This is a report which automatically gets generated while you validate a transfer. This is a tool inside Odoo. The reception report gets active once you enable it inside the configuration settings of the inventory module. If you go and create an RFQ, you will get a receipt as a smart tab. You get inside the receipt and you are validating it. After validating that, you will get another smart tab called the allocations. Once you open the allocation, you will get the reception report there. Now from there, you will know how much quantity of the products are needed in which all sale orders, and also from that same window, you can assign those products to the needed. Let's get into the inventory module and see how the reception report works. Okay, so now let's open the inventory module and see how to view the reception report and all. So I'm opening the inventory, and the first thing you have to do is go to configuration settings, and there you have to enable the reception report. So actually it's enabled here, so I'm not enabling it again and all. So if you're enabling it, enable it and then save it. After that, I'm going to create a product. So going to products tab here, and let's create a product, and I'm giving the name as phone. Okay, I'm creating a new product, phone. Okay, then inside the purchase tab, I'm adding a vendor for this product. So I'll add deco and giving the price as 5. Okay, now inside the general information, I'm making this product as a storable product, and the invoicing policy of the product is ordered quantities. So after setting the after setting all these things, I'm going to save it. Okay, then what we have to do is go to the sales module. Okay, I'm going to the sales module here, and I have to create a sale order. So before that, I'm going to create a customer. So you can take the existing customer. So for us to easily identify it, I'm going to create 2 new customers. So here's the customers, create, and I'm creating a customer called customer 1. Okay, let's save it. And I'm going to create one more, which is customer 2. Okay, so 2 customers are created. So the next thing which we are going to do is create a sale order. Okay, so for that, I'm going to the quotations and clicking on quotations. Let's create a new one. Here I'm going to add the customer 1. Okay, so here's customer 1, and as you can see, the GST treatment, the invoice address, delivery address and all has come. The next thing which you have to do is add a product. So you can't add any product, you will add the product which you created right now. So I created a product called phone right now. I'm going to add that product. So it's a new product. I created it just now, and there won't be any on-hand quantity. Okay, so the on-hand quantity will be 0. So I'm adding that product, which is phone. So as you can see, it's here. And I'm setting the quantity required as 3. So I need 3 quantity of this product. Okay, so that's done. After that, I'm going to confirm this quotation to a sale order. So confirming it. So it has become a sale order right now. Now let's go to the delivery tab. Now inside the delivery, this is the transfer, right? So here you can see the customer, that is the delivery address, customer 1 and all. And in the order lines, you can see in the reserved tab, it shows as not available, which means we don't have any quantity of this product on hand right now. So I'm not validating it and all, I'm keeping it as such. And let's go back to quotations again. So the reference, I'll remember the reference. The first one is 96. I'm going to create another sale order, quotation. So here I'm adding customer 2 and adding the same product, phone. And here I'm adding the quantity as 2. Okay, so 2 quantity of the product phone, confirming it. Let's go to the delivery tab, and here's the transfer. Here also you can see under reserved, it shows not available because we don't have any quantity of this product in stock right now. Okay, so after this, let's go back to the inventory module, and inside the inventory you have operations. Click on operations. There you have replenishment, click on that. And here you can see a replenishment is generated. We didn't create any replenishment for the product phone, right? So, our replenishment has automatically been generated. As you can see, the minimum quantity is 0, maximum quantity is 0, and to order is 5. How did it come? So actually we've created 2 sale order where we ordered for like in 2 sale order. In first one we ordered for 3 quantity of the product phone, and in the second one we ordered for 2 quantity. So altogether 5. So here as you can see, the to order has become 5. And the minimum and maximum quantity and all is not given because this has been automatically generated. And here you can see the forecast quantity is also -5. Now I am going to click on order once. As you can see, here is order once. Clicking on order once. So once I click on that, here you can see following order, purchase order has been generated. Okay, so we've created a purchase order. Now let's go to the purchase module. So here's the purchase module. And inside the purchase module, as you can see, an RFQ is created here. So this is the reference, which is P00032. The vendor is Deco. So that was the vendor whom we set inside the product. Okay. And here you can see the source document to that RFQ is the replenishment report. So that's done. I'm going to open it. Now here you can see the purchase order for the product phone is generated, and the quantity given here is 5. So we need 5 quantities right now. So that's the RFQ, and I'm going to confirm it to a purchase order. So clicking on confirm order, here's the receipt. Let's receive the product. Okay, and you can validate it here. So I'm going to validate and apply. So here you can see a smart tab has come which shows allocation. So before going to allocations, I'll show the on-hand quantity of the product phone. Before it was 0. Let's go to products here. So here's the product phone, and here you can see the on-hand quantity has become 5 because we've created a purchase order. We've received 5 quantity of product. Now let's go to the orders. See the reception report. So here's the purchase order which we created right now. I'm going inside the receipt. Here's the allocation. Let's click on the allocation, and here is the reception report. So as you can see, the need for this product is shown clearly. So here's the first sale order for customer 1. He needs the product which is 3 quantity of the product, and customer 2 needs 2 quantity of the same product. So here you can see assign all and assign. So if you have multiple products and all, you need not go and assign each line. You can simply click on assign all. And I'm going to assign this product. Okay, so it's assigned right now. And if you want to print labels, you can do that directly from here. So just click on print labels. Okay, so here's the printout. I'm opening that. So as you can see, here is the 3 quantity of products. You can see 3 printouts, which is for 3 quantity of product. Okay, and the other one also I'll show you, which is 2 quantity. So here you can see 2. Okay, so it's the label for the product. Then I'll show that. Let's go to customer 1. So now you can see that reserved quantity has become 3. Before it was not available. Now it's become 3. So I'm validating it and applying it, and let's complete this whole procedure. So that's done. Going back to the reception report, and here we have the other one, that is the second one. Here also the reserved have changed to 2, and the product availability also you can see it as available. Let's validate it and complete it as well. So both have been completed. That is the delivery validation and all is complete right now. So this is the reception report. So that's the reception report. You can see it while after validating a transfer inside the allocations tab, right? So that you can clearly get the view of how much product is needed, how much has to be assigned and all inside the reception report. That's all about the reception report. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.